Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Pre-Market News and Views by InTheMoneyStocks. Today is October 9, 2017. My name is Nick Santiago. Thank you all for tuning in this morning. We have the S&P 500 E-mini futures trading higher by 4 points right now to 25.49 per contract. So all in all, the futures are higher ahead of the opening bell. It is a Monday. Volume is expected to be pretty light, so we're not going to make too much out of the futures, but let's take a look at some stocks that are in the news because that's where we'll focus and try to make some money today. First stock we're going to take a look at today is going to be Medtronic. MDT is the ticker symbol there. Looks like the stock was downgraded, but it's having a decent little sell-off. Closed at $79.81. It is now trading at $77.68. I like a level for this right around $74.50 or Pierce of $74.50. I think traders should keep that on the radar. If it gets there today, I think that is a play. So keep that on the radar for a little for this morning. I think there is a trade there if we get down to that level, and very well we could see that. So again, traders should look at the $74.50 Pierce, maybe Pierce by 2-3 cents, 5 or 10 cents is fine as well. But again, look for a Pierce of $74.50 for Medtronic. Another stock we're going to take a look at today is going to be ATVI, which is Activision. And what you're going to see here is Activision right now trading at $61.71. This is down from the close of $63.25. So nice little haircut there. Again, I don't have any levels here per se at the moment. I do see a lot of support around 61.25 still. So we'll respect that level right now. We'll look at this one once the opening bell rings. And by the way, we had a great trading week last week in the chat room and a great 2017. So if you haven't done so, come on over, take that 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat, and you'll see everything that we're doing. Even on Friday, which was a much slower session, we were able to catch a nice Costco trade there as well. So again, come on over, take that 7-day free trial, and you'll see everything that we are doing in there. Let's move over now to Johnson & Johnson. I believe this is on the back of an upgrade. So JNJ getting a good little pop today. Closed at 133.22, now trading at 134.22. So nice little move here. But I do think Johnson & Johnson is into a lot of resistance here on a daily chart. In fact, when you look at a daily chart, you're going to see a big gap window coming up. This is all resistance going forward. So again, J&J getting a nice little morning pop, but it is into resistance right now if you ask me. Next up, we're going to take a look at Honeywell. They're in the news today. It looks like they're going to spin off 2 non-core assets into 2 different companies. So again, they're going to spin off parts of their business into 2 separate companies, I believe non-core parts. So again, Honeywell moving up on this news, closed at 143.62. Stock is now trading at $145.50. So nice little uptick there for Honeywell. If you own it, trail the stop loss. If you don't own it, there's not much to do here at the moment. Let's take a look at Phillips 66, PSX. Stock right now is not really moving much, trading at 92.82, but they did announce a $3 billion share repurchase program and also announced their dividend. So again, we'll watch that one today. We'll see if it gives us any opportunities. Let's take a look at Viacom B shares here. And what you're going to see here is the stock closed at $27.15. It is now trading at $26.34. So good little sell-off there. I do think if it gets down to $24, there's a play there. So keep that on the radar today. Maybe a Pierce of 24. We'll look at this one in the intraday stock chat room. But Viacom continuing its losing ways, and this stock has been in a downtrend for quite a while. So again, we'll see how it plays out. But again, around that 24 level, I start to get interested in it a little bit there. So keep that on the radar. Let's move over to Tesla. I'm not sure of the news on Tesla. Stock is selling off though. Closed at $356.88. Now trading at $350.50. So good little sell-off there for Tesla today. Again, we're not going to make too much out of it. It's only a $6-7 decline right now. But again, we'll keep this on the radar. We'll look at what the intraday pattern is telling us. And again, we'll see if there's some opportunities here. Tesla is a stock that we play a lot today. We play a lot every day. Keep the 343 level. I'm just looking at it now. 343. If it got down there, would be a nice trade level. I'm not sure it does that, but again, we'll keep that on the radar. Preliminary. I'll make that a preliminary level right now. 343. A tag of that should give the stock a bounce. There is a lot of support in that area. Let's take a look at Yelp. It looks like Yelp was downgraded. Stock closed at $46.73, now trading at $45.91. So I'm not seeing a whole lot here for Yelp just yet, but around the 44 and a quarter level, $44 area, I do think there's an intraday trade there. So keep that on the radar today. It looks like SYNA, which is Synaptics, looks like that was downgraded as well. Not a lot of volume behind that move, so we're not going to give out any levels on this. We like stocks that have a little bit more volume. Those are the better names to play. Synaptics still a pretty light volume stock. Even on a daily chart, stock rarely trades a million shares a day. So again, we'll look at it once the opening bell rings. We'll see if something is there. But right now, I'm not seeing much for Synaptics at the moment, but it is down ticking. All right, let's go over now to the gold market. Gold futures having a decent little day today. They're up $8.30. Right now, spot gold is trading at $1,283.20 an ounce. Let's move over to the GLD, which is a good gold ETF. That's trading at $121.69. So nice little uptick there for gold this morning. Crude oil, on the other hand, trading just up 15 cents to $49.44 a barrel. If you take a look at the USO, which is a good oil ETF to track, you'll see that is trading at $9.97, basically flat from where it closed on Friday. So there you have it. Gold is up a little bit. Oil is just up in minor fashion. And again, we got lots of stocks moving here from Monday. So we'll see what we get. Again, a lot of big names. You have Medtronic, you have Tesla, you have Johnson & Johnson, Activision, Honeywell. So we'll see what we get out here today, and we'll see where we go. With that being said, everybody, if you have not done so, come on over, take that 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat. We've had a great 2017, and we're going to look to keep that going right into the end of the year. With that being said, have a great session, and we'll see you on the charts.